From nervous new mother to joyful bond. When little Lily came into the world, she brought with her a bundle of joy and a whirlwind of emotions for her new mother, Emma. As a first-time mom, Emma was overwhelmed with a cocktail of love, excitement, and nervousness. She wanted nothing more than to ensure her precious daughter was content and cared for. In those early days, every cry from Lily sent Emma into a flurry of action. Was it hunger that made her cry? Did she need a diaper change? Was she uncomfortable or in need of a comforting hug? Emma's anxiety mirrored her deep desire to be the best mother possible. Sleep-deprived and constantly on alert, Emma soon became a seasoned detective, deciphering Lily's cues. The delicate art of motherhood unfolded with each passing day, teaching Emma to understand her daughter's needs and to respond with tenderness and care. As Lily grew, so did Emma's confidence as a mother. The once constant worry transformed into a deep bond between mother and child. Emma learned to anticipate Lily's needs, recognizing the subtleties of her cries and the expressions in her bright eyes. The park became a haven for the mother-daughter duo. Emma would gently push Lily in her stroller, the sun warming their faces and the breeze tousling Lily's hair. They explored the wonders of the world together, from the colorful playground to the serene pond filled with ducks. Toys became more than inanimate objects, they became the tools of play and discovery. Emma watched in awe as Lily's tiny fingers grasped toys, her face lighting up with curiosity and joy. Emma would join her on the floor, sharing in the wonder of each new experience. Storybooks became a cherished tradition. As Emma read to Lily, their imaginations soared together to distant lands and magical realms. The sound of Emma's voice was a soothing lullaby, creating cherished memories that would last a lifetime. The early nervousness that had once gripped Emma's heart was replaced with a profound sense of fulfillment. She marveled at the bond that had grown between her and her daughter. Emma had learned to trust her instincts and to cherish the journey of motherhood, with all its challenges and rewards. As the days turned into months, and months into years, Emma and Lily's bond deepened. Their love was a constant source of strength and joy, a testament to the transformation that had taken place in Emma's heart. From that nervous new mother to the confident and loving parent she had become, Emma's journey was a testament to the beauty of motherhood, a journey filled with growth, discovery, and an unbreakable bond between a mother and her beloved daughter.